biggest disadvantage of moving to B2?
So the biggest disadvantages of moving to B2 is if you have applied B2 petition and the B2 petition is now pending with USCIS and you have capped out of your H1B 60 days, the way the USCIS looks at is called as period of authorized stay. So this is where the situation becomes so tricky. You're not in H1 and you're also not an approved B2. So now in which USCIS looks at is when you have about to complete your 6 years, the timeline in which you have used your H1B after your 60-day cap period will be counted as your H1B used period.
Let's say I was on B2 for like 6 months. Out of my 6 years, I've used let's say 3 years. So this 6 months of B2, that would be counted as H1.
Yes.
And not B2
Not
or
B2.
pending or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, go ahead.
So this is where this becomes tricky. So when your B2 petition is pending with USCIS and your H1B is not yet approved and you have capped out your previous job of H1B. So this period of 6 months, if you have used 3 months of period of authorized stay, so this counts as H1B. This is the time frame where you can be lost in your 6 years of grace period.
Okay, and what are you doing for it? Because I know you said you're exploring options to fight with lawyers to kind of see if you can make sure that these 6 months don't count towards your 6 years, right? Yeah.
So I'm actually trying with multiple attorneys to refile my lost period, which I'm not an H1B, but I'm actually trying to explore this with a couple of attorneys. One is with Manifest Law and Randall Law in Phoenix. So the immigration attorney with Manifest Law, she told me that we can file back and we can get the unused H1B, which is like period of authorized stay when at the end of 6th year.
Okay, so there is some hope, but at the same time, it depends on the discretion of the USCIS officer to be like, okay, should I want to count it or should I want to basically just leave it? If you have your friends who have been laid off, please share it with them because they need to know this before. This is applicable only for people who don't have their I-140 approved. So if you have friends who need answers to these questions, please share this reel with them. I'll try to answer it and he as well will try to answer it.